नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? ऑल फाइन, हैप्पी इन योर हाउस? गुड. ओके, टुडे विल स्टार्ट आवर न्यू लेसन, lesson 8. Okay, lesson 8 we will start. Your lesson name is half प य पे आ की मात्रा या एंड र, प्यार. क पे आ की मात्रा का, अ हाफ र एंड थ अर्थ. प्यार का अर्थ. प्यार मीन्स लव. प्यार मीन्स लव, अफेक्शन. अर्थ मीन्स मीनिंग. मीनिंग ऑफ love or affection. Okay, I will read and I will translate for you. Listen carefully. ऊटी के मधुमलई वन में सभी जानवर नन्हे प्यारे मेमने की तबीयत खराब होने से दुखी थे. This is a story. Okay, Ooty, you all know this is a hill station in Tamil Nadu. In Ooty, one forest is there. Forest name is Madhumalai. Okay, Madhumalai is the forest name. All animals were very sad. Okay, in that forest all animals were very sad because a small memna means goat baby, or you can say sheep calf, sheep calf, calf calf. Okay, he was not well. Last 3 weeks he is having a full body pain. Okay, that sheep baby, that is known as a calf. Okay, he was not well. He is having full body pain, fever and all those things. So he is a small baby. All animals in the forest, they were very sad. Memna. Okay, memna means sheep or goat baby. Oh ma means oh mother, oh mummy. मेरा सारा बदन दर्द कर रहा है. My full body is paining. I am having a body ache. मुझे बड़ी बेचैनी हो रही है. I am not well. I am not well. मेमने की माँ ने मेमने के इलाज के बारे में सलाह लेने के लिए जानवरों की एक सभा बुलाई. सो मेमने की माँ मीन्स दैट sheep mother, she called to all people, all wild animals. Okay, in forest how many animals was there? She called all people to get suggestion about the baby, what I should do so my baby will be okay. बंदर. यह बहुत चिंता की बात है कि मेमना लगभग 3 हफ्तों से बीमार है. बंदर मीन्स मंकी. बंदर मीन्स मंकी. This is a very sad thing, or this is a very sad thing. Very too much worry. मेमना लगभग 3 हफ्तों से, that मेमना last 3 weeks he is not well. इसकी वजह से भेड़ बहुत दुखी है. ड्यू टू दैट sheep is very sad. हमें कुछ करना चाहिए. We should do something to help her. बताओ, tell, कौन क्या कर सकता है? बताओ, who and how they can help to small sheep baby. Okay, खरगोश. खरगोश means rabbit. First rabbit is saying, मैं उसके खाने के लिए हरी कोमल पत्तियां लाऊंगा. सो दैट खरगोश मीन्स rabbit, what he is saying, I'll bring soft leaf for him to eat. Okay, I'll bring a soft leaf to eat मेमना. तितली. तितली means butterfly. तितली means butterfly. मैं मीठे फूलों का रस लाऊंगी. So butterfly is saying, I will bring sweet flower juice. Okay, sweet flower juice I will bring. Juice means here nectar. Okay, flower nectar I will bring for मेमना. बकरी. मेमने को ताकत की जरूरत है, मैं दूध लेकर आऊंगी. सो गोट इज सेइंग मेमना नीड अ स्ट्रेंथ, सो आई विल ब्रिंग मिल्क फॉर हिम. हाथी. मैं गन्ने का रस तथा ढेर सारे केले लाऊंगा. So hathi means elephant. Elephant is saying, I will bring sugar cane juice and lot of banana. मधुमक्खी, मधुमक्खी means honey bee. मधुमक्खी means honey bee. मैं मेमने की सेहत के लिए शहद लेकर आऊंगी. Okay, so honey bee is saying, I will bring honey for his health. तोता, तोता means parrot. मैं अनार लाऊंगा. So parrot is saying, I will bring pomegranate. Okay, I will bring pomegranate. सब उसे खिलाने पिलाने लगे. 2-3 दिनों में ही उसकी स्थिति में सुधार आने लगा और वह उठकर बैठ गया. And all people, they told whatever they told to bring it, they have brought and started to feed that small baby, that sheep baby. Memna was there, na? And after that what happened? They have take care proper, they have given good food. So after 2-3 days, that Memna become healthy and he stand and sit. Memna, माँ मैं उठ सकता हूँ, उछल सकता हूँ. And Memna is saying, mother, now I can get up and I can jump also. भेड़ सबका शुक्रिया अदा करती है. Then sheep told thank you to all that forest animals. खरगोश, यह तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. खरगोश मीन्स रैबिट. यह तो बहुत अच्छी बात है कि अब हमारा दोस्त मेमना ठीक हो गया है. सो रैबिट इज सेइंग, दिस इज अ वेरी गुड न्यूज. नाउ आवर स्मॉल फ्रेंड बिकम गुड. ही बिकम हैप्पी एंड हेल्दी. वह दौड़कर सबको खबर देता है. सारे जानवर खुशी प्रकट करने के लिए आते हैं. एंड ही इज रनिंग एंड गोइंग इन्फॉर्मिंग टू ऑल एनिमल्स. ओके, what he is saying, that our small friend Memna, he become healthy. Now he can run, he can jump. Okay, and other animals also to get this news all become very happy. कोयल, कोयल means कक्कू. कोयल means कक्कू. मैं इसी खुशी में मधुर गीत सुनाती हूँ. So कोयल is saying, कक्कू is saying, oh, this is a very good time, we got a good news, so we all are very happy. Okay, let me sing one song for you all people. Okay, because we got a good news. उदास वातावरण में खुशहाली से, उदास वातावरण खुशहाली से भर गया. Means all people were very sad. Memna was not well, and after getting this news, all people become very happy. मेमने के साथ साथ सारे जानवर प्रसन्नता से उछल कूद करने लगे. With that small Memna, all animals become very happy and they start to enjoy. Just all are jumping, running, singing. Okay, so this was the story. What is the moral of the story? प्यार उत्तम उपचार है. प्यार उत्तम उपचार है. Love heals and it can be shown through care and concern. Okay, means love is the best medicine. And how you will show your love? To someone caring and very much concerned about them. Okay, so if you want to show your love, care that people, concern about that people, and if someone is not well, you behave proper, talk with them, show them love. Okay, they will be very happy and they will get well soon. Now we will go for word meaning. Okay, we'll read the word meaning. The, half r and the. See, half r, if it will be, pronunciation will be before the letter, but half r will come next to that letter. Okay, so the, half r and the, it will be dard. Half r is there, so very fast you have to pronounce. It's become dard. Dard means pain. P-A-I-N, pain. Okay, pain means dard. You are having headache sometime. If you are having a fever, full body will pain. If you will get hurt, you will fall. That will pain means dard. Memna. Memna. Memna means lamb. Memna means lamb. Sheep or goat baby na, it will be lamb. L-A-M-B, lamb. भेड़, 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 भेड़ means sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. जानवर, 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 जानवर means animal. जानवर means animal. A-N-I-M-A-L, animal. कोमल, 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 कोमल means soft. कोमल, कोमल means soft. S-O-F-T, soft. दूध, 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 दूध means milk. पाल, M-I-L-K, milk. शहद, शहद, बड़ा स is there, so we will not pronounce sa. We have to say sh. शहद, शहद means honey. H-O-N-E-Y, okay, honey. ताकत, 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 ताकत means strength. S-T-R-E-N-G-T-H, strength. खुशी, 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 खुशी means happiness. खुशी means happiness. H-A-P-P-I-N-E-S-S, happiness. गीत, 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 गीत means song. S-O-N-G, song. Song means geet. Okay children, so this is your word meaning. You have to write in your classwork. Okay. Now we'll go for page number 48. First one word answer we will go, only two is there. Okay. मेमने की माँ क्यों परेशान थी? मेमने की माँ क्यों परेशान थी? Why the lamb mother was too much worry? So your answer will be मेमना बीमार था. Okay, this is a ma. Don't think this is a sa. Ma. बीमार, बीमार था. मेमना बीमार था. So मेमने की माँ परेशान थी. मेमने की बीमारी को दूर करने के लिए किस किसने क्या किया? Okay, so as this is a small answer, we have to write in a small word. जंगल के सभी जानवरों ने सहायता की. आंसर विल बी जंगल के सभी जानवरों ने सहायता की. सभी जानवरों मीन्स all animals help. In forest, all animals help to that small lamb. Okay. Okay, now we will go for long answer. मेमना कहाँ रहता था? Where that lamb is living? Where is the lamb house? मेमना ऊटी के मधुमलय जंगल में रहता था. ओके, मेमना ऊटी के मधुमलय जंगल में रहता था. मीन्स मेमना वॉज लिविंग इन ऊटी मधुमलय फॉरेस्ट. मेमने की माँ ने जानवरों की सभा क्यों बुलाई थी? Why that lamb mother has called a meeting of animals? मेमने के इलाज के बारे में सलाह लेने के लिए मेमने की माँ ने सभा बुलाई. So मेमना mother, she called all forest animals to get some suggestion about the lamb, about the child, what I should do, because Memna was not good na, so she want to get some suggestion from all animals. बंदर ने क्या चिंता प्रकट की? Why monkey was worry? बंदर means monkey. Why monkey was worry? मेमना 3 हफ्तों से बीमार था और उसकी माँ दुखी थी. मेमना lamb was last 3 weeks not well. So lamb last 3 weeks he was not well and his mother was very sad. So monkey was very much worried. मेमने के ठीक हो जाने पर खरगोश ने क्या कहा? When मेमना lamb become well, what rabbit told? खरगोश मीन्स रैबिट। यह तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, दिस इज अ वेरी गुड न्यूज, कि मेमना ठीक हो गया, बिकॉज दिस इज अ वेरी गुड न्यूज, मेमना बिकम वेल। यह खबर जाकर मैं सबको देता हूँ, एंड आई विल से दिस मैसेज टू ऑल आर फ्रेंड एनिमल्स। ओके, whatever how many animals are there, I'm going to inform them lamb become well. So this is your question answer, children. The same thing you copy in your book, and who is not having the book, I hope you all people has picked up the book from the school. If you are not having, then write in your classwork. Okay, okay. दिए गए वाक्यों में सही या गलत का निशान लगाइए। Here some sentence has given, you have to read and you have to put correct. This sentence is correct or wrong. हाथी बीमार था। In this lesson, who is sick? Who is sick? हाथी means elephant. Elephant is sick? No, wrong answer. मेमना बीमार था. So this is a wrong answer. खरगोश मेमने के लिए कोमल पत्तियां लाया। खरगोश मीन्स रैबिट। रैबिट हैज ब्रिंग वेरी सॉफ्ट लीफ फॉर मेमना। या करेक्ट, खरगोश मीन्स रैबिट हैज ब्रिंग सॉफ्ट लीफ। तितली फूलों का रस लाई। तितली मीन्स बटरफ्लाई, सो बटरफ्लाई हैज ब्रिंग द फ्लावर नेक्टर। बकरी पानी लाई। बकरी हैज ब्रिंग द पानी। पानी मीन्स वाटर। No, goat has not bring the water. Goat has bring the milk. So this one is the wrong answer. हाथी नारियल लाया। हाथी means elephant. Elephant has bring the coconut. हाथी नारियल लाया. So elephant has bring the coconut. Nariyal means coconut. Elephant has bring the coconut. No, he has bring sugarcane and what he has bring? Sugarcane and banana. So this is the wrong answer. तोता अनार लाया। तोता means parrot. Parrot, अनार means pomegranate. So parrot has bring the pomegranate. Yes, this is the correct answer. मधुमक्खी शहद लाई। मधुमक्खी means honeybee. Honeybee has bring the honey. Correct answer. So same thing you take in your book also. Okay children. Question number 3. किसका किससे संबंध है? Who is related to what? Okay. Who is related to what? You see on the screen, and same thing you just put in your book also. Okay. Match. हाथी. हाथी means elephant. Here what is related? गन्ने का रस। एलिफेंट हैज ब्रिंग द सुगर केन ना। गन्ने का रस मीन्स सुगर केन, करम्ब। सो यू हैव टू मैच लाइक दिस। तितली मीठे फूलों का रस। तितली हैज ब्रिंग द स्वीट फ्लावर्स नेक्टर। बकरी दूध। बकरी हैज ब्रिंग द मिल्क। मधुमक्खी शहद। मधुमक्खी मीन्स हनी बी एंड सी हैज ब्रिंग द हनी। खरगोश कोमल पत्तियां। तोता अनार। कोयल, in the last what is there? Koel means cuckoo. What she has done when everyone was happy, she start to sing the song na. So कोयल मधुर गीत। मधुर means sweet, गीत means song. Sweet song she has sing. So same thing you match in your book also. May it will come in your next exam. Okay children? Okay children. Now we will go for page number 50. Okay. Here some टिक द करेक्ट आंसर। सही उत्तर पर निशान लगाइए। मेमने को कहाँ दर्द हो रहा था? वेयर मेमना इज गेटिंग पेन? सिर में। सिर में मीन्स हेड। गले में थ्रोट। सारे बदन में फुल बॉडी। वेयर ही वाज गेटिंग पेन? इन हिज फुल बॉडी। सारे बदन में। सो थर्ड वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर। बकरी दूध किसके लिए लाएगी? बकरी मीन्स गोट। फॉर होम गोट विल ब्रिंग द मिल्क? तितली के लिए, फॉर बटरफ्लाई, हाथी के लिए, फॉर एलिफेंट, मेमने के लिए, फॉर लैम्ब। यस, करेक्ट आंसर इज थर्ड वन, मेमने के लिए। ऊटी का यह वन किस नाम से जाना जाता है? थर्ड वन. So ऊटी का यह वन, that forest was in ऊटी place. What is the name of that forest? बांदी? No. सुंदरवन? No. मधुमलई? Yes. मधुमलई is the correct answer. ऊटी में मधुमलई जंगल. Okay, there only lamb is living now. So Madhumalai is the correct answer. In this three option, all third one is the correct answer. Tick in your book. Okay children, same page. Now we will go for Vilom Shabd and Paryayavachi. As you know, Vilom Shabd means antonyms and Paryayavachi synonyms. Vilom Shabd. This all are very easy. I hope maximum you know in this. Dukhi. Dukhi means sad. Dukhi means sad. Dukhi, Sukhi. Okay? Sukhi means happy. Komal. Komal means soft. Komal means soft. Kathor. Very hard. Okay? Komal, Kathor. Achhi. Very good. Buri. Very bad. Okay? Achhi, Buri. Good, bad. Fool, flower. Kanta, thorn. Kanta means thorn. Fool, kanta. Flower, thorn. Khushi, happiness. Udasi, sadness. So khushi, udasi. Madhur, very sweet. Katu, very bitter. Okay? Katu means very bitter. One more round we will read. Dukhi, Sukhi. Komal, Kathor. Achhi, Buri. फूल कांटा, खुशी उदासी, मधुर कटु. So this is your word meaning. Many times you have read, so I hope there is no trouble to memorize that. Very fast you will memorize. Second one, Paryayavachi. Paryayavachi means meaning will be same but different word will be there. All word meaning will be same. Bimar. In this lesson who was Bimar? Memna. Lamb. Bimar means not well. Okay? Not well. Bimar. Aswasth. Mareej. Rogi means patient. Patient who will be there? Who is not fit physically. Okay? Physically who is not fit, that is called patient or Bimar. So this is your synonym. Bimar, Aswasth, Mareej, Rogi. All meaning is patient. Hathi. Hathi means elephant. Other name of elephant, Hasti, Gaj, Kunjar. So Hathi, Hasti, Gaj, Kunjar. All are elephant. Fool, flower. Fool means flower. Pusp, Suman, Kusum. Fool, Pusp, Suman, Kusum. All meaning is flower. Udas. Udas means sad. Udas means sad. Khin, Uchat, Anmanapan. All is the meaning sad. Okay. So Udas, Khin, Uchat, Anmanapan. All is sad. Okay, next we will go for numbers. Numbers means vachan. Ek vachan, bahuvachan. Okay. Ek vachan means single. Bahuvachan means plural. Singular, plural. Memna. Plural will be memane. Already I have told you, where in singular a ki matra is there, maximum chances is there when you will make the plural of that singular a ki matra, you have to take it out and you have to put a ki matra. Okay. So memna, memne. Tota, tote. Ganna, ganne. See here, all a ki matra we have taken out when we are making the plural, and instead of a ki matra we have put a ki matra. Very simple. Next, what I taught you? If in singular any word ending with badi e ki matra, and when you are going to make a plural for that particular word, badi e ki matra you have to take it out, and that particular letter you have to put choti e ki matra instead of badi e ki matra, and extra ya word you have to add. Ya pe a ki matra and chandra bindu. See here. Titli. 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 When you are making the plural, ल पे बड़ी ई की मात्रा इज देयर, यू हैव टू टेक इट आउट, एंड ल पे छोटी ई की मात्रा हियर वी हैव पुट एन एक्स्ट्रा यहाँ वी हैव पुट, इट्स बिकम तितलियां। बकरी, बकरी, बकरियां। सो बड़ी ई की मात्रा यू हैव टू रिमूव एंड यू हैव टू पुट छोटी ई की मात्रा एंड एक्स्ट्रा यहाँ यू हैव टू add. Next, many singular and plural word will be same. If singular word ek vachan you are going to change in plural, it will be same. Here we will see something, because that nature made thing, natural things, we can't make a changes in plural word. हाथी, हाथी, जानवर, जानवर, फूल, फूल, अनार, अनार, बंदर, बंदर. This all those things, singular and plural both will be same. So see proper, exam time don't get confused. Last classes I taught you about the noun. Mainly there are two types of noun, proper noun and common noun. Last I taught you proper noun. Proper noun means confirmed noun. Someone particular, some name is there, some place name is there, feelings is there, means that is confirmed. That is called proper noun. Today we will read common noun. व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा, जातिवाचक संज्ञा. व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा I taught you. Today I will teach you जातिवाचक संज्ञा. जातिवाचक संज्ञा means that is a noun, but we are talking about a group. Instead of particular person, we are talking about that group. वे शब्द जो किसी जाति की सभी वस्तुओं, व्यक्तियों का बोध कराए, जातिवाचक संज्ञा कहलाते हैं. So that word that will show you about, or that will say you about that particular group or particular thing, that is called common noun. Like example, ladki. Ladki means girl. Girl is there, but we are not taking the name. Anyone can be, okay? Any girl can be. So girl is a common noun. Girl. Nari. Nari means woman. Anyone can be. We are not taking any woman name, okay? We are not saying grandmother, auntie, mummy, or mother, anyone, okay? Any ladies, we are not talking. Nari means just woman. It is saying about a group, but this is also noun. Gai. Gai means cow. We are not defining, okay? We are not defining this is a black cow, big cow, small cow, white cow, or spotted cow. Just cow. Same thing, bakri. Goat. Okay? Here also we are not saying goat is black color or brown color, big is there, fat is there. Just it is a goat. So here when we have read ek vachan and bahubachan, okay, singular and plural, because that is also a common noun, and common noun when you are going to make the plural, so both will be same. In common noun, singular and plural both will be same. Okay children, see here some words are there and they are asking नीचे दिए गए वाक्यों में जातिवाचक संज्ञा शब्द पर गोला लगाइए. Where जातिवाचक संज्ञा means common noun, you have to round it. बंदर ने सबसे पूछा. ओके, बंदर ने सबसे पूछा. ओके, so here common noun we have to circle. बंदर ने सबसे पूछा. So what is the common noun here? बंदर. Second one, खरगोश हरी पत्तियां लाएगा. So what is the common noun? Rabbit. खरगोश. तितली फूलों का रस लाएगी. तितली means butterfly. बकरी दूध लाएगी. Okay, so like top you have read na that common noun. You can see in English also girl, woman, cow, goat, all are common noun. So here all animals name what is written, that is coming in common noun. So first word just you round in your book. नीचे दिए गए वाक्यों से संज्ञा चुनकर सही स्थान पर लिखिए. मेमने की मां ने एक सभा बुलाई. So what in this question they are saying? Choose and write the noun from the following sentence. In this sentence you have to select the noun. So what is noun? Noun can be someone name, place name, things name, or feelings. This all those things will be noun. So in this sentence we have to search what is that. मेमने की माँ ने एक सभा बुलाई. मेमना. मेमना is a common noun. Okay. Memna is a common noun. That is a lamb. So your memna will come here as a noun. खरगोश पत्तियां लाएगा. Okay. So खरगोश is a common noun. That is a animal. खरगोश here it will come in a noun. You have to write in your book. हाथी गन्ने का रस और केले लाया. So here three nouns is there. हाथी is a elephant. Ganna also is a things, and kela, banana also is a fruit. Okay. So this three will be noun. Tota anar laya. Tota is a bird and anar is a fruit. So there are two noun here. Okay. So tota and anar you have to write here. कोयल ने मधुर गीत सुनाया. कोयल is a bird and madhur means sweet song. Geet means song. Madhur means sweet. That is a feeling. Okay. So that is a feeling. That will come also in a noun. So koyal and madhur both will be a noun. Same thing you copy in your book also. Your next question is वृक्षों का महत्व पर 5 पंक्तियां हिंदी में लिखिए. So what they are saying, importance of tree. Importance of trees, write 5 sentences in Hindi. Already I have written for you. Actually you should write, but I have helped you in writing. Same thing you copy in your book, because definitely when your next exam will be there, I will give in your question. Okay, 5 mark question it will be. Okay, you have to write 5 points on trees. First one, वृक्षों से हमें ऑक्सीजन मिलती है. So 5 importance of trees we have to write. So first one will be trees give us oxygen. वृक्षों से हमें ऑक्सीजन मिलती है. Second one, जानवरों और पक्षियों को शरण देता है. तो so trees give shelter to animals and birds. Lot of animals and birds live down the tree, on the tree. वृक्ष हमें फल और दवाइयां देते हैं. वृक्ष, trees gives us fruits and medicines. Lot of medicinal trees also is there, plants also is there. वातावरण में मौजूद कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लेते हैं. And in our climate, whatever carbon dioxide is there, they will absorb and they will make their food. उसकी लकड़ियों से फर्नीचर बनता है. And when tree will dry, we are using that wood, dry wood, to make the furnitures. So this is the 5 important point of trees. You have to memorize in your next exam. Definitely I will give. Okay children, and as your assignment, you have to write your word meaning, question answer in your classwork. Okay, word meaning, question answer, write in your classwork. And whatever book exercise is there, already I have done for you. Same thing, copy in your book. Okay children, so this your lesson is finished. You do also reading practice. Thank you. Have a good day.